welcome back to Unicorn. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make simple epoxy resin keychains. So I'm going to be measuring my epoxy here. And here I have my cup to pour my epoxy in. After mixing for what felt like an eternity, I finally finished. And for my first color, I'm going to be using flash green. You may also add some beads or other different types of colors to the epoxy. Now I'm just going to pour the epoxy into some of these molds I found. Now I'm just going to drill a hole in the epoxy with this tool so then I can insert a keychain through the hole. So now I'm going to decide on what color keychain I'm going to use. I decided on using gold for the keychain color. Just finished my first keychain, now moving on to the other. For this one, I'm going to be using beads instead of the keychain ring I used before. So here are some of the keychains I made in this video and in the past. Please subscribe.